I would buy another one. I would buy a super low mileage one to keep just like an investment.
Yeah.
Hi Ryan.
Hey, it's another day in the clouds of San Francisco.
Another day in my life. Yeah.
Well, August is supposed to be the best time to come here, but it's just foggy.
Yeah, it'll be fun just to like dick around till the engine blows.
'Twisty turning roads. Hollywood Nights. Bob Seger and the Silver Bullet Band.
I think they don't have any water.
We're on the Pacific Coast Highway, north of San Francisco, about 20 miles. By Muir Woods.
Too bad, because I had to do that last year.
It's very hilly. And the 300 is hanging on for dear life.
That's a G horses.
Yep. We need some Eibach bars in this thing. Maybe some conies.
He's going for it. Turbo mode just kicked in. When VTEC kicked in, you know?
That was creepy.
Hi, Mike.
Hi.
Is that a seal?
065.
Oh, nice.
No way.
That's a deep well.
Yep.
Nice car. Way out there's the city. Ooh, an NSX. Ooh, a Supra. Ooh, a GTR. It's the new Ford GT. Ooh, a GTR. It's an LFA.
Look at all the Harleys!
Look, it's a new Dyson.
Just go around. Just gonna sit here. Yes.
E63.
Yep.
Nice car.
Okay. Financial District. Tell us where we're going.
We're going to Umami Burger.
Umami Burger. It sounds like Mommy Burger to me,
heard-
so that's what I've been calling it. There's our hotel.
Bernie Burns from the Rooster Teeth podcast recommended that we go to Umami Burger. So that's where we're going.
Okay. Well, we're not walking. We're going to the car, and then we're going to go get supper, and it's cold.
Yeah.
I've got my slacks on.
Don't worry, Bernie wouldn't lead us wrong. We were on this road and we were getting ready to turn right. There's an exploder in the right lane. We were trying to go. And
It's a San Francisco staple.
Gary was flashing the lights out.